Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about how to recycle the waste. Waste recycling is an important step in protecting the environment. From separating organic and inorganic waste to using recycled products, every small action can have a positive impact. Don't forget to support recycling programs in your community and educate local people about the importance of this practice for the future of our planet. There are two types of waste: organic and inorganic. Organic waste consists of biodegradable materials like food scraps, yard clippings, and paper products that decompose naturally. And inorganic waste includes non-biodegradable materials like plastics, metals, and glass that do not decompose naturally and require recycling or proper disposal. Inorganic waste includes plastics, metals, textiles, and electronics. The waste recycling process involves a series of steps to convert waste into reusable products. The following are the general stages in the recycling process: plastic waste sorting and sorting cleaning processing, manufacture of new raw materials, recycled product distribution. Benefits of recycling waste are recycling helps reduce the use of limited natural resources. By using recycled materials, we can reduce pressure on forests, mining, and other natural resources. And recycling generally requires less energy than manufacturing products from new raw materials. For example, producing recycled paper requires less energy than making paper from wood pulp. Thank you. Have a great day.